Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset or hard reset Vortex HD55. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you turn off your phone first, which in this case, you need to make sure it's turned off because you need to reboot this into Android recovery. Now, once your phone is turned off, you want to go and look for the power button and the volume up buttons. Now, you want to press and hold those two buttons together until your phone starts rebooting. Now, this will actually reboot itself into Android recovery. Now, to navigate yourself around this menu here, you want to use the volume up and down buttons to go either go up or down. Now, to confirm that selection, what you need to do is you need to use the power button at the sides here and basically select that specific option. Now, in this window, you want to select or look for wipe data or factory reset or something similar. Now, from then on the next page, what you need to do is you just need to select yes here. Again, use the volume up and down button to select yes, and just use the power button to confirm that. Now, finally, you just need to wait for the rebooting or the reset process to complete, but usually speaking, you just need to go and use reboot system now, and basically press the power button to confirm that, and you should be good. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.